Alright, got all the tools ready. It's time for part 3. Today we're going to be taking off the starter under there. So let's go ahead and get set up and start taking it off. Just a quick reminder, make sure to disconnect the battery terminals. That is the starter. There's the oil pan and filter. So you can see it's directly underneath. And I'll try to show you the wires that I have to take off. I don't know how it's gonna look. There. So that red wire and that heavy cable there. I have to take those off first. And then I'm taking off that bolt and that bolt. And the starter will drop right down. After that's done, we'll go ahead and drain the oil here, take off the filter, and get all that stuff off there. Alright. Now that little terminal is visible, it's a little easier to get to, so go ahead and take that off. Alright, now the starter will come out. There it is. Alright, well there's the starter. And all I had to really take off as far as wires go is the heavy cable here and the little one here for this actual ignition. Alright, one tip I'm going to give is to clean your tools before you put them back in your toolbox, because when you use them again, you don't want a dirty handle and you're grabbing it and you're underneath the car, or if someone else uses your tools, you don't want them getting filthy hands, especially if it's not a nasty project. So it's nice to always clean your tools before you put them back in. Okay, so I'm under here, I'm about to change the oil, and if I'm correct, there's probably going to be a lot of water in there, so I'll have to drain that first. And the water will be all at the bottom of the oil pan, since water is heavier than oil. So let's see what happens here.
Yeah, it's pretty wet. Yeah, you see there's a lot of water in there. Alright, it's still coming out. Pan, almost full. Yeah, so it's pretty much draining. It's just dripping around. There's probably almost 6 quarts of oil and water in there, which is well more than it should have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this drain and come back to it later. Alright, so got the starter off, got the oil drained, and we'll see you in the next video.